Hey there, Eco Warriors! Welcome back to another exciting episode where we turn everyday waste into something wonderful. Ever wonder what really happens when you recycle a plastic bottle? Most of us toss it in the bin and forget about it, but there's a whole journey that bottle goes through. Today, I'm going to show you how to turn that junk into something super cool. All at home, no fancy machines needed. Imagine the possibilities when you can transform waste into useful items. Just you, a plastic bottle, and a bit of science. Ready? Let's dive in. This is going to be a fun and educational journey, so stick around. First, let's gather what we need. An empty plastic bottle, scissors, a pot of boiling water, tongs, a blender if you have one, and a mold or flat pan. These are all common household items, so no need to worry about special equipment. Alright, step 1. Rinse off that bottle and peel away the label. Make sure it's clean because any residue can affect the final product. Then, using the scissors, carefully cut the bottle into small, manageable pieces. This makes the plastic easier to work with in the next steps. Watch those fingers. Safety first, always. Wearing gloves can help protect your hands from any sharp edges. Next, on to step 2. We need to soften the plastic. This is where the magic starts to happen. Grab those tongs and place the plastic pieces into hot water. The heat will make the plastic pliable and easier to mold. Be super careful here. Hot water means business. Always handle with care to avoid any accidents. You'll see the plastic start to become flexible and easy to work with. This is the perfect time to start thinking about what you want to create. Now, step 3 is optional, but super handy. If you've got a blender that can handle it, blend those softened pieces into tiny flakes. This makes the plastic even more versatile. It makes the next step a whole lot easier. Plus, the smaller the pieces, the more uniform your final product will be. Pour those flakes onto a mold or flat tray. Your choice. This is where you can get creative with shapes and designs. On to step 4, mold and shape. This is the fun part where you can really let your creativity shine. Press those softened flakes into the mold or pan. Make sure to press firmly to get a solid, even layer. You can use weights or a simple press to flatten the plastic out evenly. This ensures that your final product is sturdy and well-formed. Patience is key here. Let it cool completely. Rushing this step can result in a warped or uneven product. And finally, step 5, the moment of truth. This is where all your hard work pays off. Once it's cooled, pop it out of the mold. You should have a nice solid sheet of recycled plastic. Congrats! You've got a recycled plastic sheet, perfect for all sorts of crafts, coasters, or even plant tags. See? Simple, right? The possibilities are endless. And just like that, you've turned trash into treasure. It's amazing what a little creativity and effort can do. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more awesome DIY sustainability projects. We've got plenty more ideas to share with you. Like the video, drop a comment with your next idea, and let's keep saving the planet, one plastic bottle at a time. Your feedback and ideas are what keep us going. Catch you next time, Eco Warriors. Keep up the great work and continue making a positive impact on our planet. Welcome back, Eco Warriors. Now that we've mastered the art of creating recycled plastic sheets, what can we do with them? The possibilities are endless, but today we'll explore a few cool and practical ideas. Get ready to be inspired. First up, let's make some trendy coasters. All you need are your recycled plastic sheets, a stencil, and some paint. Use the stencil to trace your desired shapes onto the plastic sheet. Then carefully cut them out. Add a splash of color with some eco-friendly paint, and voila! You've got yourself some stylish and sustainable coasters. Next, let's create some garden plant tags. If you have a garden or even just a few potted plants, these tags are a game changer. Cut the plastic sheet into small rectangular pieces. Use a permanent marker to write the name of each plant on the tags. These durable tags will withstand the elements and help keep your garden organized. For those of you who love home decor, how about a custom picture frame? Cut the recycled plastic sheet into the shape of a frame. You can even layer different colors for a unique look. Glue the pieces together, add a backing, and insert your favorite photo. It's a personalized and eco-friendly way to display your memories. Lastly, let's not forget about the kids. Create fun and educational puzzles. Cut the plastic sheet into various shapes and sizes. Paint or draw different images or letters on each piece. These puzzles are not only durable but also a fantastic way to teach kids about recycling and creativity. There you have it, Eco Warriors. 4 amazing ways to use your recycled plastic sheets. Which one will you try first? Let us know in the comments below. And remember, every small effort counts in our journey to save the planet. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Together, we can make a difference, one plastic bottle at a time. Until next time, keep crafting and stay green.